Hello and welcome to the Daily Digestion channel. And today, guys, I came up here to my son's cross-country meet, and they were having a cross-country meet for the high schoolers, and they do this, it's like a big fundraiser and everything. And so basically, guys, I brought my bike. I actually worked the concession stand, which was a new experience. You know, this is my third kid, and he's a sophomore, and so it's not my first rodeo, but I'm learning. I'm still learning, and so I volunteered for the concession for the first time, and it turned out pretty good. And so I thought, you know what? This is at a beautiful park. It's called the Dam, and this is where I made some videos last summer, me coming out here. So those of you that have been following me, you probably remember me making some really beautiful pictures and so forth. Well, I decided to go ahead and bring my bike I worked the concession stand, and then after I did the concession stand for an hour, I got to watch my son run, because of course I didn't want to work the concession stand while he was running his race. So it worked out really good, guys. And so I'm here at this amazing park, and it is absolutely beautiful, and I want to share it with you because I brought my bike. I got a helmet. I got this helmet for $5 at the flea market. I got these gloves, which make a world of difference when you're riding your bike. I can't explain it. I was like, why do people wear stuff like that? But I happened to get these gloves for like 75 cents because I had a TJ Maxx card for $3 and they were $4, so I got them for like 75 cents. I mean, I was like, I'll take that, you know what I'm saying, guys? I'll take that. And so here we are. Here we are at the, why is that seat wet? Okay, my bicycle seat was wet. That's a nice plus, but check it out, guys. Isn't this beautiful? I'm going to show you. And people come and they fish on this lake. They do fly fishing, which is really cool. Like, I would like to do that. That would be fun. And there's a little dam. There's like a bridge and there's a dam. This is called the Dam. And everybody comes out here and goes running, and because it's really cool. Some people get in the water and just get in the water after their run, because it's really nice and cold. It's like a cold bath. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know that I'm actually fasting today a little bit. So I haven't had anything to eat, and I've just had water. I brought some bananas in my car in case like I feel like I'm gonna die or something. But other than that, you know, guys, it's I feel great. And I've been riding a little bit, but I wanted to show you this another beautiful. You can actually see through the water right here. It's so clear. But I would love to get in right here. This looks like a great spot. Pretty clean. And as you can see, there's a fly fisherman over here fishing. So I wouldn't want to jump in right here. But it is gorgeous out here, guys. a little windy out today, but it is beautiful. And it rained this morning. Definitely gonna have to bring some water shoes out here and get in that water. Back there's where they're having the cross-country meet. They're running the middle school now. See all these stumps, guys? This is where the beavers have been working and making their little stumps. So it looks like they chewed all these trees down, and there's a nice little bird house. But yeah, guys, the beavers have been busy here. Pretty cool. Okay guys, what I've decided to do is I'm driving around and I'm looking at all of the trails that are on this island that I've only been around the Osceola Island. So I've been around that walking and jogging and so forth. But so what I'm doing is I'm riding around on my bike now on the different trails. So I'm on the road, and as you can see, I'm on the road, and I am like, there's these little streets that you can go up, and there's a different trail on each one. So, and they all kind of lead or back around into the dam and to the water area where everybody's fishing. So it's kind of cool. You go on a trail and then you end right back up around where the trail is. I mean, the lake is. So it's really beautiful. But I found this really beautiful butterfly garden. There's all kinds of wild flowers here and bumblebees, and there's all kinds of butterflies. There's this one variety, there's a pair, and then there was a monarch that flew by. But this is just beautiful out here, and the weather's perfect. Okay guys, we made it back, and it was great. That was a really great run, great ride, and I enjoyed it so much, and I definitely need to do this more often. It was such a stress reliever. And I just want to say, I've been fasting, in a fasting state, and I just drank some water, and I feel amazing. Like, I didn't even get hungry or anything. I've got some bananas in the car, and it's so tempting to eat those, but I'm going to wait because I'm going to go home and juice a green juice to break my fast. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, and it was awesome. I had a great time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, share, and you know, just remember guys, you know, like when you go bike riding or something, or when you go work out, you don't have to eat. You don't have to eat. If it's early enough, you know, and you feel good, if you feel okay and everything, just don't eat. If you're not hungry, don't eat. I mean, you don't have to put food in your stomach all the time. Like, I'm just saying, guys, you know, I always thought that I had to have something in my stomach all the time. Like, and that's really not a good thing. I even kind of dry fasted on this bike ride, and I was fine. Like, yeah, my mouth was a little thirsty, but I knew I wasn't dehydrated. I've been drinking plenty of water to where I should not be dehydrated. And, you know, I have water in the car. I knew I was going to drink it when I got back, but I feel absolutely amazing. And I'm sure my body was detoxing and cleansing and getting that lymphatic flowing. So I feel amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, share, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.